Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be showing you guys on how I made that beautiful wig with the closure. So this hair that I'll be using to make this wig comes with a closure and it has 6 bundles of hair in it. So if this sounds like something you might be interested in, then definitely do keep on watching. So all I need to do is to secure my closure on the dome cap with a pin. Like I've seen a lot of wigs being sewn and the closure just don't seem okay on the dome cap. And all of this happens when you don't secure that with a pin to get it all straight up before sewing. So I always recommend you secure your closure with a pin or whatever you have available to secure that in place before sewing. Starting with the least bundle, do the whole bundles same equal to, and I'll be sewing this on one weft, just so the hair looks full. As usual, I love to leave a space in front, just close to my closure, before I start sewing, just so I can sew the last weft and it won't be sticking on my closure. Channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'm Rox-T. You can make me smile by liking this video and subscribing to my channel. I kept on going back and forth with one weft, and I tried as much as possible to leave some space on each line I sew. doubled my weft because I want this hair to look full in front. So I keep on flipping the hair back and forth until I get to the front. I will just use my last weft, which is doubled, to sew in front. And guys, I'm not sewing this on my closure. I'm just sewing this close to my closure. You all can see how my hand is moving. I'm not cutting this on a straight line. And guys, this is how beautiful the hair is looking. If you find this video helpful, please share your thoughts, your contributions, your questions in the comment section down below. And once again, I'm Rox-T Styles. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you're yet to, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.